Welcome to the weekend. Truck, and more truck here. Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Seth right here in Kentucky on the Ranger RCI X9HP. Seth got you ready to go. Tuning alignment and Toshiba regulator on this bad boy. Let's start the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Got you set at 5 watts all the way down. You have plenty of adjustability. 50 all the way up. Average power swing. Tighten up my mic plug there. Good day. 250 watt slug. We're going to show average power here. Low, about 110 bird. Peak power. Low, 250 exactly. PEP. Alright, Seth, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.